The Benefits of Breastfeeding During the COVID-19 Pandemic by Maya Hansen. Topic and article overview. Breastfeeding is nature's way of feeding and nourishing a baby. It starts when they're a newborn and can go up to toddlerhood. Breastfeeding provides nutrients and immunity that is tailor-made for the infant. This would mean that breastfeeding could provide extra protection for an infant during the COVID-19 pandemic. The article I chose, Breastfeeding During the COVID-19 Pandemic, a literature review for clinical practice, discusses the benefits of breastfeeding during the COVID-19 pandemic and what we know so far with the limited clinical trials available. Results and conclusion of the study. The results and conclusions of the study states that the coronavirus is not transmitted through breast milk, and that instead it may actually protect the mother and the infant. The benefits of breastfeeding during the pandemic outweigh the risks. Breastfeeding needs to be encouraged always, but especially during this pandemic. Skin-to-skin contact needs to be especially encouraged, as it helps the mother's breast milk provide needed immunity to the infant. Reproductive. Pertaining to reproduction. Pneumonia. Inflammation of the lung parenchyma. Infection. Invasion of the body by disease-producing microorganisms. Obstetrician. Medical specialist in obstetrics. Intrauterine. Inside the uterine cavity. Pandemic. Pertaining to a disease attacking the population of a very large area. Virus. Group of infectious agents that require living cells for growth and reproduction. Perinatal. Around the time of birth. Respiratory. Pertaining to respiration. Pathogen. A disease-causing microorganism. And these are my sources.